So hello guys, in this video we'll simply do one thing, that is we'll create our first application, first demo application. Okay, so let's have a look how I just created this one. You just need to do one thing, that just close the application whatsoever is open, or if you just want the previous application to be open, then just click on file, new and new project. It will open the new activity. If you are closing this one, then it will close the each and every portion, and uh, it will open a little bit this interface. Okay, it will open this interface, and in this the application whatsoever you want to do, you can click here or just click on the new project. After clicking on new project, just select empty activity and then click next button, and then write down your application name, and select what's the preferable language you need. Okay, now as I have created my first application, I just have to go on that page, that application. I just selected that one, and I'm here right now, just waiting Gradle build. It is taking too much time, but it based on your RAM. Okay, means if you are using Android Studio, your minimum RAM should be 8 GB. Okay, and maximum it can above 8 plus. Okay, so let me tell you what is Android. Android, it's very simple. We can say that Android is an operating system in the world. In the world, Android is giving competition to iOS applications. Okay, and Android was developed by Android Incorporatives, but in 2017, or I guess in previous years, it was owned and maintained by Google. Okay, and nowadays Google is maintaining and developing Android. And also in Android, we are having Android 11 right now, and after the month of September, August September, it will be releasing, Google will be releasing Android 12. Okay, as it is in developers mode. Okay, so a lot to know, a lot to discuss about this. We'll do it. So before starting our activity, we just need to have some basic knowledge of Android. So if we are starting our application, you can see here our main activity. Okay, activity, we can simply say that any application, or if I take a real life example, if you are entering any home, if you are just entering any home, you just need to open the door first. Okay, so that door is activity here. Okay, I hope you got it. Means if you are opening any application, so that application must have at least one activity. Okay, if I compare this with our real world example, that is home, if I'm opening our gate of our home, if the gate is not available there, then will not enter in our home, right? Similarly, the main activity is the gate for Android application development. Okay, if you do not have the activity, you cannot develop any application. So before we start this one, have a little bit more look. As we start our application, we do not have to go in this manifest file right now. We'll discuss this further. Okay, in Java, here in application, in app manifest, and then Java, just click on the first portion, that is my main activity. Here you will be having our main activity. Let me close this one now. Here, this is our main activity. This does not need to open. Okay, now in REST files, we'll add some drawables, means pictures, images, and vector assets. Okay, now layout, our layout means how the user interaction, how the user will interact with each other. Okay, now minmap, the icons of our application. Okay, and then the values, here we can have our colors, strings. Now let me show you this we can similarly we can add colors like this. Okay, so I just want to change the name of it, so white underscore one, and we can give the other color. Okay, we'll have this little bit dark, so we just declare a new color. Okay, now we'll be having our string here. We can add our we can have our names here. Okay, and we can use it in our XML portion. Okay, so here we are having our theme, day and night theme. Means as we have in our application, in our phone, what happens that some people like light mode and some people like dark mode. Okay, as people click on dark mode, then this appears, this theme will automatically call. Okay, if you are using light mode, then this one value 3, not night one. Okay, so this one will open. Okay, so now let's move to our XML portion. Let's have a look. Yes, here our XML portion, and in this we are having a little bit something more interesting. Okay, so now here we are having our palettes, means whatsoever our views, whatsoever views you want, you can just click here, just drag and drop. Okay, you just need to drag and drop. Okay, image view, whatsoever recycler view, you will get each and everything here. We are having text, now buttons, widgets, layouts, linear constraint. Okay, containers, Alpo, Google. Okay, and legacy. So, and in this field we'll just have look, means if I'm selecting this one, we can edit it from here. If we do not want to code, we do not want to code in XML, we can simply do just move to design portion, and we'll have this attribute file, and we can just click or edit here whatever we want. And this one is component tree. Okay, this one is our component tree. In this, what happens is whatever we add here, okay, whatever we add, it will show here. Means let's take an example. If I select the button and drag and drop here, now you can see here the button appears, right? Or if you want to do something, you can just click and drag and drop here, right? It will automatically adjust where to store the data, right? Now move on to the split portion, and I'm just clicking, or you can just do one thing, just move back to your main activity. Here we have main activity, and you just need to click on this play button, run button, to run your application, and it will run automatically. And your first application is ready. Boom, you got your first application, right? So now this is all about in this one. And what left here, let's see. Nothing. Okay, so till now the introduction of Android is here. We can sum up it right now, and we'll back in next video. So till then, take care. Bye bye.